The EUR JPY pair is rising on Wednesday, climbing above the 172.0 handle as the market continues to price in the possibility of a hotter than expected Eurozone inflation print for the month of October. This, coupled with some safe haven selling, is driving the pair higher. On Tuesday, the pair had already climbed above the 171.0 level after German inflation came in higher than expected, stoking fears that the European Central Bank may have to keep interest rates higher for longer. The market was already pricing in a 90% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike from the ECB in December. And if the preliminary inflation data for the month of October comes in above expectations, then the chances of a larger 75 basis point rate hike will increase, thereby strengthening the euro. In fact, the pair's rise on Tuesday and Wednesday has been so strong that it has broken above the upper end of the 170.80 support and resistance range that has contained the pair since late September. A break above this range suggests that the path of least resistance for the pair is now upwards. That said, the near-term outlook for the pair remains uncertain as investors now await the preliminary inflation data for the month of October, which will be released on Thursday, November. If the data comes in as expected, then the pair could see some profit-taking as the market would have already priced in the latest inflation data. However, if the data comes in worse than expected, then the pair could continue its upward trajectory towards the 173.0 level and even higher. On the flip side, if the inflation data comes in better than expected, then the pair could see some profit-taking as the market would have already priced in the latest inflation data. However, if the data comes in worse than expected, then the pair could continue its downward trajectory towards the 172.0 level and even lower. In any case, the market's focus will remain on the ECB's monetary policy meeting in December as investors try to gauge the bank's future policy moves. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.